Welcome to eduquestzone. Let's begin the quiz. Types of AI like narrow, general, super AI. Question 31. Which of the following best describes narrow AI? Option B. AI focused on a specific task. Narrow AI performs only specific tasks like voice assistants or recommendation systems. Question 32. General AI aims to achieve which capability? Option B. Performing any intellectual task like a human. General AI can perform any intellectual task that humans can do. Question 33. Super AI is expected to be. Option C. Beyond human intelligence in all aspects. Super AI will surpass human intelligence in creativity, social skills, and reasoning. Question 34. Which of the following is an example of narrow AI? Option A. Siri Voice Assistant. Siri is a narrow AI system used for voice assistance. Question 35. Which AI type currently exists in most real-world applications? Option C. Narrow AI. Most real-world AI today is narrow AI, like chatbots and search engines. Question 36. General AI is also known as. Option B. Strong AI. General AI is called strong AI because it can think and learn like humans. Question 37. Which AI type does not yet exist? Option C. Super AI. Super AI is only theoretical and does not exist yet. Question 38. Which AI type includes machine learning models like ChatGPT? Option C. Narrow AI. ChatGPT is narrow AI designed for conversation and text generation. Question 39. Which of the following best describes the progression order of AI types? Option B. Narrow AI to general AI to super AI. AI progresses from narrow AI to general AI to super AI. Question 40. Which statement is true about super AI? Option C. It is a hypothetical future AI surpassing humans. Super AI will surpass human intelligence and creativity. Agents and environments. Question 41. In artificial intelligence, an agent is best defined as. Option B. An entity that perceives and acts. An agent perceives its environment through sensors and acts using actuators. Question 42. The environment in an AI system refers to. Option B. The external world with which the agent interacts. The environment is everything external that affects or interacts with the agent. Question 43. Which of the following is an example of an AI agent? Option A. A robotic vacuum cleaner. A robotic vacuum is an AI agent because it senses and acts intelligently. Question 44. In the PEACE framework, A stands for. Option B. Actuators. In PEACE, A stands for actuators that perform actions. Question 45. The PEACE framework is used to. Option A. Design intelligent agents. PEACE helps define an intelligent agent's performance, environment, actuators, and sensors. Question 46. What does the S in PEACE stand for? Option B. Sensors. S stands for sensors that perceive information from the environment. Question 47. the performance measure in AI agents defines? Option B. The success criteria for the agent's behavior. Performance measure defines how well an agent achieves its goal. Question 48. A self-driving car interacting with roads and traffic is an example of. Option B. Intelligent agent in a dynamic environment. A self-driving car is an intelligent agent in a dynamic environment. Question 49. Which of the following is a property of a good AI environment? Option C. Clear feedback for performance evaluation. A good AI environment provides measurable feedback for the agent. Question 50. What is the main goal of an intelligent agent? Option B. To act rationally and maximize performance. The goal of an intelligent agent is to act rationally and maximize performance. Intelligent agents and rationality. Question 51. What is an intelligent agent in artificial intelligence? Option A. A system that perceives and acts rationally. An intelligent agent perceives its environment through sensors and acts upon it using actuators to achieve goals. Question 52. The rational agent aims to. Option B. Act to maximize performance measure. A rational agent acts to maximize its performance measure based on percepts and built-in knowledge. Question 53. In AI, an agent's function maps. Option B. Percept sequences to actions. An agent function maps any given percept sequence to an action. Question 54. Which of the following is not a property of a rational agent? Option A. Acts randomly to explore. A rational agent is goal-directed and perceives its environment, but it does not act randomly. Question 55. P stands for. Option A. Performance, environment, actuators, sensors. P stands for performance measure, environment, actuators, and sensors, used to describe agent tasks. Question 56. What are sensors in an intelligent agent? Option B. Devices that perceive the environment. Sensors are the components that perceive the environment and collect information for the agent. Question 57. Which of these is a type of AI agent? Option A. Simple reflex agent. Common agent types are simple reflex, model-based, goal-based, utility-based, and learning agents. Question 58. What defines a rational agent's decision at any moment? Option B. Percept sequence and performance measure. Rational decisions depend on the percept sequence, agent's knowledge, and performance measure. Question 59. Which of the following is not part of an agent's environment? Option B. The agent program. The agent program is internal. Only external objects, obstacles, and percepts define the environment. Question 60. Rationality depends on which of the following factors? Option B. Performance measure and percept sequence. Rationality depends on the performance measure, percepts, available actions, and prior knowledge of the agent. Thank you for watching. Visit eduquestzone.com for more quizzes.